Hello, how are you today? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And secondly, thank you so much to Luann for giving us permission to send you guys this video. This video is mainly informational, is only informational, I should say, and educational. Just kind of giving you some free tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. Okay, if at the end of the video you feel like you can do all these things yourself, I mean, more power to you because that's going to be amazing. First and foremost, there's three things that we're going to talk about. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is content. The second thing we're going to talk about is backlinks, and then the last thing we're going to talk about is citations. All right, so looking at your website here, I kind of fiddled around with it before before I started filming, and honestly, it's super user friendly. It's super easy to navigate. I didn't have any problems while scrolling through. It was really well made. Whoever made it for you did a really great job. And unfortunately, Google doesn't really care how awesome a website is. To be honest with you, all they care about is content and keywords, right? They want to be able to know that you're able to answer excuse me, to answer questions that customers are looking for, right? So they want to know that you're able to answer buyer intent keywords, right? So that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Okay, so if I were to highlight all of your content here, and if I were to copy it and then pasted it on my word counter, okay, that was from an old one I did. Paste it on here. So you're at about 659 words, okay? And a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 keywords on their homepage. So you're almost there. You would just need, roughly, even if you just wanted to be over the 1,000 mark, that would greatly allow you to be more visible on Google, right? For Google to find you when people are searching for pest control, especially in Corpus Christi, the greater metropolitan area. So if you wanted to include keywords like pest control company Ingleside, pest control company Corpus Christi, pest control company Port Aransas, things like that, that would help Google find you so much more, and it would increase your visibility online. Excuse me. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. Okay, so backlinks, I'm able to see on the on this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool. Obviously, I'm in the industry. So it just helps me kind of peel back the curtain to see exactly what's going on in the background. Just some analytics on here to see how many people are visiting your website, how many keywords you have, so on and so forth. Right now, on here, it's saying that you have 50 referring domains and you have 79 backlinks. Now, what referring domains are just other websites that are pushing traffic to your website. And then the backlinks are just, it just means how many times these websites are actually doing so. Okay, now you've got 12 keywords, but it's bringing you 0 traffic value. Okay, and hardly anyone is going onto your website per month. Okay, now if we look at your competitors, okay, these are the biggest. This is probably the biggest company in Corpus Christi, and noticing a huge difference here: 50, and these guys got 125. 79, and these guys have 610. Okay, it's not only the amount of backlinks and referring domains, it's the quality of those backlinks and referring domains. Not all backlinks are created equal, unfortunately. Google knows that you are not a restaurant or anything else other than a pest control company. So you getting traffic from another website that is not pest control does not help you in power. Okay, so getting out there on a pest control blog or a pest control forum or another pest control website would definitely help push more power to you and help bring more traffic to your website, and hopefully landing more clients that way. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about are citations. Okay, now citations is how you end up here on this map pack. Okay, it allows you to be seen the most. It allows you to be the most visible. Now, the only way to get on here on this map pack is to have more citations than your competitors. Okay, and citations are just anywhere that you can put your business in a directory, right? Like white pages, yellow pages. You've got Yelp, Home Advisor. You've got Angie's List. All those are lists of citations, right? And as long as you're able to put your address, your email address, you've got your business name, even if they allow you to put your website or your phone number, that's considered a citation. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to do with this. Now, if I'm completely honest with you, this is where all the traffic is, right? Most people don't, scroll down here and go to the third or fourth page of Google to find what they're looking for. Usually when people are traveling through a new town or something like that, they're visiting someone and they're looking for a service for any kind of reason or unfortunate event, they usually hit up here in the map pack, right? And the only way to get up here is to have more citations than your competitors, okay? Now, there are two things that you can do, right? There are two ways of going about this, right? You can either take all this information and use it yourself, right? Ensuring that you increase the amount of content you have, ensuring that you look up your competitors' backlinks and stack them onto yours, because the good news about that is that if they're good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you, okay? And then the citations, just ensuring that you're able to do enough research for the citations, that would help you get up here in the map pack, right? So researching your competitor citations and putting your own businesses on all those directories would greatly increase your visibility, okay, here in the map pack. Or if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, if you want to rank for Corpus Christi, if you want to be known in Corpus Christi and all the other surrounding areas, we can definitely see what we can do to get you there. You know what I mean? If you wanted to be number one in that area, we could definitely see what we can do to help you to help get you there. If you have any questions or anything at all, if you have any type of comments or concerns, you could definitely reach out to me. Thanks again so much for Luann for allowing me to make this video for you. I love helping businesses grow, and this is just what I do for a living. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.